pronounce years? $19.44. Two-digit numbers. For example, $2001. Because they would be difficult to pronounce otherwise. So here we have 2000. And 1 and 2000. New centuries are read 1,000, at least not for reading years within the past 1,000 years. So, years that are just 3 digits. So if the year was 866, you just 866. Read as a whole number, so 25. You can precede any year by the year 866. Years before the year 0 are followed by BC, and you pronounce it, so just BC. Or 2014. Two thousand, 1944, 1944, 1908, 12, 06, 866 or 866. C. 3000 BC. The date is organized as day For the days, we use ordinal numbers, then we spell out the month. When using number dates, the months are organized in December, and then the year is pronounced as we have previously learned. So let's recap the months. January. Number 2, February. Number 6, June. Number 6, June. Number 8, August. September. Number 10, October. (2009). So, the 19th of July, 2009, 2009. We have 1, and we've got 1,964. Of January 1960. We've got the 19th of July 2009, 21st of January 1966. We can do the same with our date of Let's take a look at phone numbers. So you can also pronounce 0 as either 0 . So for example, here we have a number. And you would read it out aloud. So remember, 0 is pronounced either 0 or O. So you choose. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Or 0, 1, 8. One 8 2 2, 4 5 6. Now you can give your number to somebody in English. Thank you very much.